Nang humingi hanggang makahanap kayo ng anong pwede namin gamitin. And all because we are in this fucking mess. All because gusto ni Martin Romualdez mag-president. Hindi siya makontrol ng presidente natin. Na hindi marunong magdesisyon, walang decision-making skills at all. Zero. We are wasting time as a country on what we need to do. Putang inang kawawa na tayo. Pero nandito tayo. God, nandito tayong lahat. Fishing for evidence so that we can demolish a family that is a threat to our personal gain. We are wasting time. This country should be working on being competitive, jumping to middle income, aspiring to be a first world economy. What the fuck are we doing? We're doing nothing at all. Magkano ang dollar? Nasaan ang remittance ng mga OFW na inaasahan lagi ng gobyerno na hindi naman dapat? We're wasting time as a nation, as a people. We made a mistake with that fucking Marcos. And we are wasting time. Yes, anong tanong?